guys, and welcome back to Easy Nails. Today I'm going to show you how to create a really easy, fun pink marble acrylic set using Nail Supply Glamour acrylic. Here I'm going in with natural pink cover acrylic from Nail Supply Glamour and white, and I'm basically putting these two acrylics on top of each other and then moving my direction of my brush back and forth to swirl them together. You guys can see I pick up one bead of the pink cover acrylic and then the milky white, put them on top of each other, and these are medium wet beads. And then I'm basically just swirling the tip of my brush from side to side there, and that creates the marble effect, you guys. So I'm going to do this over all of the nails. And again, these are both acrylics from Nail Supply Glamour. I will link everything down below. I'm using an Artisan number 8 brush and gliterbells Hema free monomer here. So again, you guys can see just by running your brush from side to side, you're going to create that marble effect to the nail. It's a super easy way to get marble nails, especially for beginners. And you don't want to mess with it too much because then you won't get the marble effect. The lines will kind of blend together. So you guys, here I'm going to show you how I marble again. Super easy for beginners. I'm picking up a really small bead of that pink cover, the milky white, and you guys can see I am just swirling my brush from one side to the other. And you guys can see how it swirled those colors together. Again, a tip I have for you guys is do not over swirl your brush. Swirl it in one direction or the other. If you do it too much, you're going to just get a different colored nail, but you're not going to get a marble effect. So you want to just swoosh it once or twice and not touch it too much. That's really the trick to get really pretty marble nails, is not to mess with it too much. You guys can see me here. I'm using the same method, just taking really small wet beads and piling them on top of each other and then moving my brush in one direction or the other. For the cuticle area, I like to go in with either the milky white or the natural pink cover, and then after I place down a really small bead of that, then I go in with a drier bead of another color and run some lines through. That's an easier way so that it won't run into your cuticle. So basically, again, in the cuticle area, I just take a solid bead of one color, and then after I lie that down, I take a really dry bead of another color and just run a line or two through it. Okay, you guys, so I am doing the same method throughout all the nails here. This is a super easy method for marbling acrylic nails, and you guys can see here in the cuticle, I do the same thing I talked about. I use that cover pink, a pretty small bead, get it all over the cuticle, then I'm taking a drier bead of the milky white and just running a few lines through. And what I love about marble nails, you guys, is imperfections look perfect. So it's great for beginners and advanced nail techs, because any flaw that you think that you're making is just going to add to the depth and dimension of the nail. And you guys, please subscribe if you are not. I give you tons of hacks and tricks to get cheap and easy, affordable nails, all from the comfort of your home. And you guys, as always, I will link everything down below for you guys in the description box. And if you have any questions about anything, please feel free to leave a comment down below. And you guys, make sure to give a thumbs up to this video. It helps me know what content you guys are liking and what to create more of. So here I'm clear capping my nails. I am using ezflow True Dip Clear. This is a dip powder, but I really enjoy it for acrylic nails using with monomer. I find that it works really buttery and smooth. I absolutely love this clear. Highly suggest, highly recommend. And I am just building up the structure of my nail and capping in that design. You guys, make sure you always cap your nails with clear acrylic. You guys are going to build your structure here, so you're going to prevent your nails from breaking, keep them strong and long. And you guys are going to prevent any color from filing off when we finish file. So really important to always put that clear cap acrylic over your nails. And here I'm just finishing up, capping up the rest of the nails. Now I'm moving into finish filing. I am taking a 180 grit hand file here, and I am holding it at a 45-degree angle, and I'm going back and forth on the sides of those nails. This is going to give us that coffin shape that we want. I am using a 5-in-1 nail drill bit here. I got this one from Amazon. I highly recommend 5-in-1 nail drill bits for finish filing acrylic nails. They make it super, super easy. So here I am going over the cuticle area to make sure that it is flush to the cuticle. You always want to make sure that you do this step to prevent lifting. And then here I'm going up and down the nails, going through all the nails in an up and down motion. And then here I'm just further perfecting those side ones. Okay, after I finish going through with my hand file again, I am going to use rubbing alcohol on a manicure brush and really get off all of that dust. And today we are going to do a really fun and easy 3D acrylic flower for you guys. So basically, you guys, I am dipping into both colors here, okay? So I'm taking super, super small beads, and I am dipping into the milky white and then into the pink cover. And you guys can see how I'm putting down that bead. You want to wait about 10 seconds. And then you're basically going to push down with your brush and then roll it from one side to the other. This is going to open up the petal for you. All right, you guys, so again, I'm picking up one tiny bead, dipping first of all into the milky white and then the cover pink. And then I'm going to press down with my brush and roll it from side to side. Now here on the side, I'm making different beads, kind of leaves. So with these, you basically want to tuck in the sides first to create a point, and then you're basically going to take your brush and press down in the middle, and then you're going to keep on repeating those steps until you get your desired shape. And then here I'm going in with the tip of my brush, and I'm basically creating little lines along the leaf area, because these two petals on the tip are actually leaves here. So I decided to go in with a nail file here, and just the pointy side of the nail file, I went in and pressed in little indentations on those leaves. And that's it, you guys. A super, super easy 3D acrylic nail flower. Okay, so here I'm going in with some gold stones that I got from Amazon. And then around that, I'm using these little tiny micro beads, and I'm surrounding that flower, these little caviar beads. And I believe I got these from Nail Supply Glamour, the caviar beads, and they were only 99 cents or something like that, so very, very affordable. And I love caviar beads, you guys. If you are new to nail art, I would highly suggest getting some stones from Amazon that I link below, and caviar beads. They really amp up your nail art look and really make the nails look really flawless. So I really enjoy working with them. And as always, you guys, to adhere these, I put on my Orly Gel FX Builder in a bottle. And then I went directly on top of that with the aimeili No White top coat. And this is a really, really good way, you guys, to adhere any kind of nail art. It will not move, it will not budge. Just remember, after you apply the builder in a bottle, go directly in with your no wipe top coat. Do not cure. Put on your crystals or nail decorations and then cure. So here I'm just continuing. I'm using these gold stones from Amazon here, and then I'm taking those caviar beads in silver from Nail Supply Glamour, and I'm putting them around the nail. And this tool that I'm using, you guys, I got from Amazon, the Rhinstone picker-upper tool. I really suggest this. It's super inexpensive, and it helps so much, especially when dealing with little caviar beads and fine detail work. It picks up the nail art decorations really easily. Okay, you guys, so here I'm just adding in some more of these gold crystals around the flower part sporadically on the other side of the first finger. And then I'm randomly adding in these silver caviar beads to give it that extra touch. And I really enjoyed the way that this turned out, you guys. I love this nail art design. And I'm adding some more crystals and caviar beads to the first finger, and I'm surrounding these gold crystals with the silver caviar beads. And you guys, if you're new to nail art or don't really know what to do, I would just get some crystals and put caviar beads around them. It's a really easy and classy look that always looks beautiful, so I highly suggest that. And these caviar beads are a little bit difficult to work with just because they're so small. They just take a lot of patience, but they end up looking really beautiful on the nail. So here I'm just adding some more crystals to my liking here. Okay, you guys, so I finished up my nail crystal placement. So I'm going over the nails that I didn't with my aimeili no wipe top coat, and I'm going to cure this in my lamp for 60 seconds. And I really enjoyed this acrylic marble nail look. It's super easy for beginners, and I love this crystal placement and a really easy 3D flower to top it off. So applying cuticle oil to nourish back up those hands, and I hope you guys enjoyed. I will see you next time. Bye.